Choices that you make each day can affect your health and ability to enjoy life. Quite literally, your life depends on these decisions. This unit covers a variety of topics that deal with improving or maintaining your health through lifestyle choices. Begin by looking at your diet and learn about planning your meals to provide good nutrition. Think about how stress affects you on a day-to-day basis. You will be introduced to a presentation package and a number of design skills that you will use to prepare a safety presentation. If you have difficulty with this, be sure to contact your teacher. As a teen, you will be faced with making choices that could affect the rest of your life. It is important that you have the information available to make an informed choice. You will be looking at material on the use of drugs and alcohol. Information will also be available on how to protect yourself from sexually transmitted infections. Physical activity is important in maintaining a healthy body and mind. You will look at the benefits of incorporating physical activity into your lifestyle. This unit has 4 sections: information on the internet, healthy living, healthy relationships, and making the right choice.